beautiful people, it's Courtney. I hope you all are having an awesome day so far. Today I got a fun slime video for you. As requested, I am going to be doing a Peachybbies slime recipes testing out type of thing. I've done these twice before, both with Talisa Tossel, and you guys absolutely loved them. You're like, please do more people. So that's what we're doing today. Definitely let me know in the comments down below who you would like to see me test out their slime recipes next. A lot of you requested Peachybbies, so I'm going to be trying out some of the slime recipes that she has shared on her YouTube channel. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big old thumbs up if you do. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you love slime videos, DIYs, life hacks, challenges. I do them all here on my channel 3 times a week, not 6, 3. 3 times a week on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. And if you want to be part of our Slime Squad family, I have some brand new merch I'm going to link down below for you in the description box. Definitely check it out if you want to join the fam. And let's go ahead and get started with this video. To get started, this first slime is a foam slime, which is like a Java chip slime she did, except she didn't use like the original Java chip. She cut up pieces of a koozie, so that's another option if you don't have Java chips. So I went ahead and added in some colorful foam beads and some pink paint, and then she mixed it all together. This was a bit different for me because normally I like make my slime first and then I'll add everything else into it. So doing it this method, it worked quite the same, and so yeah, this is just different from how I normally do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and activate it, and she's mentioned a few times that all the activator she always uses pretty much is like a half a teaspoon of borax into 1 cup of warm water, and she said she uses that for white glue slimes and clear glue slimes, so I'm going to be using that for all of these. So I'm just going to go ahead and slowly activate my slime. I'm just stirring it all together until it kind of pulls away from the side of the bowl. Then I'm just going to go ahead and knead it with my hands, and I find if you start kneading it when it's a little bit sticky, it really keeps your slime from over activating. So I'm just going to knead it, and then we have our final slime. This one was super crunchy. I love the texture of it. It wasn't too stiff like some Java chips can be, so I really like it. I think all the colors in it is really pretty. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about this slime. The next slime is one of her famous slimes. It's a peach ring gummy, and this is like one of her original slimes. So I'm just using some clear glue and mixing in a small amount of orange food coloring. I added in a little bit more, and then some pink. She used orange and pink to get like a peachy color. Mine turned out a little too orange. Even though I added like a tiny bit, it turned colors really fast. And then she also scents this one like peaches, so I'm adding in some peach essential oils since I saw that she usually uses like these essential oils type of fragrances in her tutorials. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and activate it and just mix it all together, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start kneading it with my hands. And what I find is when you activate clear slime, it always is like very sticky at first, and then once you kind of knead it all together, if you let it sit for a little while, it turns into a much better consistency the longer you let it sit. So when I was done kneading, here is my slime, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in some orange foam beads into it. She adds some orange beads into hers. This isn't like a full phloem, it's just like a little bit of foam beads. So I'm just combining those, and then she lets this sit until it clears up, which it stays kind of cloudy like intentionally because of the fragrance in it. So I let this sit for a few hours. Of course, the longer you let it sit, like if you let it sit for a day or two, it will clear up even more and be an even better texture. But this is what I was left with after about an hour or two. Next, we have this mint chocolate chip cloud cream, and she is like the creator of cloud cream, and I'm obsessed with this texture. So I'm just adding some white glue, some mint fragrance, and some light green, just a little bit of green. It's just a normal green food coloring. I don't know why I said light green, but you just want it to be a very light mint chocolate chip colored slime. So anyways, I just like lost my train of thought for a second. I'm just adding in some black glitters, and these kind of like represent like the little chocolate chip pieces in it, and then just stir it all together. And then the last thing she does is add in about a tablespoon of the instant snow powder. So that's what I do. You want it to be like a thick cake batter like consistency, so definitely add in like a decent amount of the instant snow and then stir it all together. Now this one is my favorite out of all of this recipes. I am so obsessed with it. It smells delicious. It makes me want to eat it, but please don't eat it. But it smells so good. I really love this cloud cream. It was just amazing. So for cloud creams, you definitely need to activate them a little bit more than usual, just because the instant snow kind of like sucks up a lot of the water. And then also once you're finished activating it, I knead it like usual, but then you want to just let it sit for a little bit. Even like 5 or 10 minutes makes a big difference. Like all the snow will start to expand and give you a really nice texture. So leaving it sit after it's done like activating definitely is key with these cloud creams. So I am left with this awesome cloud cream. It's super like thick and just an amazing soft texture, but it still is like great for bubble pops. So I absolutely love this slime. This one was my favorite out of all the recipes. She's like the queen of cloud cream, which kind of rhymed. So yeah, this one gets a huge thumbs up for me. I really loved it. And last but not least, we have stuffed animal cracker, which is another one of her like famous OG slimes. And so for this one, I'm adding in some cotton candy scent and a very light pink color. This actually this recipe reminds me so much of the first one. It's very similar. You could definitely tell she likes a certain color theme with her slimes. But for this one, the only thing different is I'm adding in a tablespoon of cornstarch and then some shredded foam pieces. And she didn't add too many into it, just kind of like a handful of smaller size pieces. And these are just foam pieces. You don't want to add too many because then it starts to kind of absorb all the glue in your slime. So just add a few, and then I'm just stirring it all together. Then, of course, I'm going to activate it like all the rest of these slimes. So I'm just activating it and then going in and kneading it. And then we're going to add some colorful phloem beads at the end. So this one was another really awesome one. I actually combined this one with the first Java chip one, and it made an awesome like texture. I really liked it a lot. It does give me like very similar vibes though to the first one. So she definitely likes the pastel pinks with the rainbow foam beads and then some kind of add-in. So I like this one a lot. I didn't feel like the cornstarch made that big of a difference. I think maybe it needs like a little bit more cornstarch to give it more of like that cream cheese textured slime, because it did feel like a very similar texture to the first one without any cornstarch. So I think maybe just add in a little bit more, but it was amazing with the bubble pops and it was just really crunchy and fun. If you made it to the end of this video, you are part of my hashtag secret squad. Is our little squad for all the people who actually watch the whole video and make it to the end. So thumbs up if you are part of the secret squad. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you missed my past few videos, as always, you could just click on over to the side of me and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye!